Yeah.
This gift is from Tita Annie and
Tito Rally.
Tito Red. Wow!
That's for both of you, okay?
Who's this for? Wow!
Ay, nice.
Oh my god, we both got cats. I think those are for both. These are for me, but I don't think so. Daddy, look! It's like the same thing as Brinley's gift. See?
Oo nga, no?
Ano
Oh, ano
yung show
sasabihin nyo?
Thank you!
Oh, next one.
Something.
Can I open this?
Later, yeah.
Okay. Hey, which one do you want? This one or that one? This. Okay. But make sure you
Come on.
share, okay?
Open next one. Lee, get another gift.
Ooh, it's squishy. Lee, make sure you share because they're cats.
Yeah. Kanino galing yan?
This is from Mommy and Daddy.
Ah, sige, open mo yan, Lee.
Do you want help or no?
She can do it.
Oh! It's a kite! It's Peppa Pig and George.
Show it, Lisha.
Let me see.
Ah, ate, your turn. Get one gift and then open.
This one, the bottom.
Okay.
Can you open for me, please?
Pag open natin lahat ng gifts, then you can do. Kasi marami pa kayo open.
Okay, this one is from Lee.
From Lee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Help. I think it's something Christmassy because it's like, oh, it's a book. Over here. Is this for babies?
No.
Or is it just a coloring book? Let's take it out.
You check.
Coloring book? Ta-da! What's this?
Wow, nice. Did you like it?
Yeah. My turn.
Ah,
Basahin
this
mo tayo,
turn.
what kind of book?
It's like
Yeah, kanino galing yan?
a play code.
From Jacob. Ba, galing mo ah.
That's Lyra. Got the wrong spelling. This is a baby Lyra. No, it's not toy. Wow, they look. It's
Wow, I like it.
It's a winter jacket.
Nice. Oh, say thank you.
Thank you.
Ah, ate, open one.
This one. This
Okay.
is from Ate wait, Angela and Chum. What's this? Wow!
Oh, nice.
It's like a pencil case. Wait, there's something inside. Wow!
Oh, for your arts and craft.
Wait, it's not that open. Wow, it's so cute.
That's nice.
This
Oh,
is a ruler. It also has like.
ano sasabihin?
Thank you, Ate Wait, Angela and Chum Chum. I'm gonna.
Oh, Lee, kanino yan galing?
Ate
Wait,
Angela,
let me
tama
read
ate.
this. This is from Lee.
Uy,
Open again, Lee.
dami di.
Is it another Peppa Pig thing? Oh my god, it's another Peppa Pig thing! It's another Peppa Pig thing! I love Peppa Pig. I love. Whoa! It's a book! It's a pen. It's a book. That's it.
Ah, ate,
What
your
do
turn.
you say to me? Thank you.
Kuha mo si ate Lee. That's nice.
Your turn.
Come on, hurry up, ate.
I got it. This
Oh.
one.
Okay, sige nga, open that one.
Daddy.
Pa mommy and daddy?
Biggest
The
one.
biggest gift. Oh wow. Wow.
Oh my God, ate, I
What
love
is even
it.
this?
Basahin mo.
This is a. It's like something like that you can make like bracelets or ponies, and there's even yarn that I can make a spell pot.
Ah,
Thank you.
you're welcome, ate.
Please, ate.
Lee, your turn. Who's that? Kanino galing yan? Who gave that to you?
Ate Angela and
Okay, openly.
Don't forget to say thank you.
Yan. Wow, ate.
What's that?
Patay ko din.
Oh my god! Okay, we can make that
Yeah, we'll
gingerbread! We have this.
Nice.
We're gonna make the one that we have in the basement next year.
no, late, maybe tonight we can do it.
Well, I like this. It's squishy.
Oh, Ate, your
The
turn.
last gift of all is mine.
No, you still have one more over there.
I love this one.
Oh.
Open that one. Kanino galing yan?
From
Kanino?
Noah and Ethan.
From Noah and Aiden? Okay.
It's shoes. It's shoes. Wait, I want to see what shoes. Shoes. I want to see what shoes. Noah is this one. Oh my god. It's in another box.
Yeah,
And it says, I'm grippy.
that's nice. Oh,
My
sasabihin mo.
turn. Thank you. It's
Noah.
my turn.
Nice.
My turn.
I love it, ate.
Last one kay Di.
Ito sila, sinisigaw-sigaw.
Kanino galing yan?
Uh,
Did you even read it? Kanino
our
galing?
cousins.
Who? Kanina?
Kuya ko, Juliana, and Alonso.
Oh. Ano sasabihin mo, Lee?
Well, make sure you share because these are two.
Oh,
Sharing is caring, so you can be in the
last gift
last gift.
ni ate.
This is from, I think,
Kanino galing yan?
Jacob.
From Jacob?
Wow! It's like a color changing one.
Oh, that's nice. You like it?
Yeah. I also have this.
Oh, okay.
Ate, sakto.
Ano sasabihin mo?
For your spinning.
Oh,
me, please.
Ate, for your
okay.
spinning.
me. I want
Thank you, everyone.